New Brighton Ford. Quality selection, exceptional customer service, and a great price too. Let the friendly professionals at New Brighton Ford help you get into your next vehicle today.
For family or work, the Transit Connect is your perfect partner. It's a spacious and versatile cargo van or an impressive and connected family wagon. Transit Connect cargo vans are available in XL and XLT models, and Transit Connect passenger wagons are available in XL, XLT, and titanium models. A 2.5-liter inline-4 engine gives you fuel efficiency that goes straight to your bottom line and the power to tow up to 2,000 pounds. Long wheelbase cargo vans have up to 149 cubic feet of payload space. Long wheelbase passenger wagons seat up to 7, and an available panoramic fixed glass vista roof lets the sky in. It wouldn't be a Transit Connect if you couldn't connect. Available voice-activated Sync 3 technology lets you make calls, select apps, play music, and more. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and accessories, and build a Transit Connect that's all yours. The Transit Connect, it works for you.
At New Brighton Ford, you'll never pay too much, and we'll do everything we can to make sure you drive away in the vehicle that's right for you. If it's service, selection, and value you're after, then New Brighton Ford is the place to shop. Stop in today. We're easy to find at the intersection of Highway 694 and Silver Lake Road in New Brighton. It's where our customers send their family and friends.